Since the dawn of lighting, humanity was limited to the effects of RGB. However, when intellect developed to the point where white was added, thus was invented RGBW. This was man's ultimate color vision. To GM Lighting, it was not just vision, it was Vision 120.
Behold, RGBW, Vision 120 RGBW by GM Lighting.
It wasn't that long ago when we introduced Vision 120 120-volt LED tape to the lighting industry. No, it wasn't the only 120-volt flexible LED tape on the market, but it soon became one of the most popular. Why? Well, we offered it in a variety of outputs, a large array of color temps and colors, and along with Vision 120, we also offered mounting channels, lenses, connectors, and something else. That's right. We offered legendary customer and technical service that helped to get Vision 120 specified into some very cool environments. How do you make such a well-received product even better? Right again, you offer it in RGBW and you enable it to be controlled by an app that has taken the lighting industry by storm. LUXcontrol.
First, let's talk about what Vision 120 RGBW is before we show you what it can do.
Vision 120 RGBW is a factory-cut and configured linear RGBW wet location IP65 fixture that is about as plug-and-play as you get. Offered with a flexible tape-to-power connector, Vision 120 is capable of spanning long runs. At only 3 watts per foot, Vision 120 offers energy savings without sacrificing power and 120-degree beam spread visibility. And of course, Vision 120 wouldn't be the industry standard for 120-volt LED if it didn't also come with all of those aforementioned accessories. Well, Vision 120 RGBW is no different. It's what Vision 120 RGBW does that truly sets it apart from the other RGBW tape. And it all has to do with this app and this controller. It all has to do with LUXcontrol.
Easy, so colorful and reliable. That's what Vision 120 is, and the potential is only limited by your imagination. Thanks for watching.